So, are you planning to start a business in Kenya? Then this video is for you. I'll give you 5 simple steps to follow when you want to start any form of business while you are in Kenya. Even if you are outside Kenya, these steps can also help you to start any business. And I'm going to begin with the first step. When you want to start a business, step number 1 is to identify the business idea. Coming up with an idea. What do you want to do? Which type of business do you want to start? Are you going to sell services? Are you going to sell products? And you have to be very clear on what you want. Or do you want to sell both products and services? Make sure you identify a good business idea. Now, how do you identify a good business idea? You can get a good business idea by looking at the needs of people at a certain area. You need to know the gap. You need to identify a certain gap. A gap is the needs of people in a certain area. So you have to maybe stay in a place for quite some time and observe what people need in a certain place. What do they want and it is not available? Or if it is available, is it enough? If they need some services, are the services being offered there efficient? Are they convenient? And would you provide the same services in a better manner or in a better way? So that is the first thing. You identify a business idea and make sure you can talk to people. Make sure you read magazines and walk around that place. Just talk to people to know what they actually need. That is the first step. Step number 2 is to write a simple business plan. So you need to be organized. You don't just wake up and start a business without having a structure of what you have in mind. So if you are to provide products, you need to know the cost of these products. You need to know where to get these products. You need to know the location of your business. This is what we call a business plan. You must know exactly what you want to sell. You must know your target customers. You must know who or for how long are you going to sell your products. These products, are they perishable or durable? Or if they are perishable, are you going to be able to finish the products within a given time? So a business plan is going to help you to plan very well. Among the things that you're going to plan here is the amount of capital that you need, the source of your stock or what you're selling, or you can also include the expenditure, including water in the business, electricity bills, and any other bills that may arise as you start your business. So that's step number 2. You need to have a very good business plan. So if you don't know how to formulate a good business plan, you can comment there below, and then I'll help you to do the same at a coffee price, of course. Step number 3, register your business. So one of the things that people don't like is to actually register their businesses. You see, it's important to be known by the authorities that your business exists, because the moment you don't do that, then you're going to have many problems with the authorities, especially town council or any other people who are responsible for registering businesses. So if you want to have peace of mind in your business, then you need to register your business with the government. That is what we call licensing. You license your business so that at least your customers can be confident with you. When customers come to your business and they see the license up there, they get the confidence to actually, or they believe in you. Even those people who lend money to you, or the loans that you need, the people who want to lend you money, they can only do that if they know that your business is registered and certified. That is when they can gain confidence with you. But the moment you ignore that, then people do not have confidence with you. And that is step number 3, register your business. And step number 4 is set up the operations. Now the moment you have registered your business, now you need to start the operations, start working. If you're selling the products, if you're selling services, let's say you are selling food stuffs, you start the operations. Now immediately you have to have what we call means of payment. You must open a till number. Maybe you can open a business number, or you can open what we call a bank account where people can sell or can send money, or even you can receive money in cash. You must also have a good financial record to know the products that you're selling, the profits that you're making within a day, and even within a week, and also within a month. And also, if your business will stay for an year or more, then you have to know this year how much money have I made as a profit, or if there is loss, you also need to understand. So you must get the operation going in this step, and make sure in this step, because it is among the steps that will make you or will make you or break you, make sure it is done with efficiency, because this is a very critical stage of a business. Also, make sure that you interact with your customers very well. Make sure you talk to them. Make sure you create that bond between you and them, so that the moment they buy today, they are going to come back tomorrow. Now, the last step is step number 5. Market your business. Make sure your business is known and believed to be legitimate. Now, one of the ways to market your business is to use maybe banners. You can use, you can print some small banners and give them to the markets and tell people these are the services that you offer, and make sure there are some small offers that you give to your customers. Tell them today is a Black Friday, or today it is on Tuesday we're going to be giving some small offers. These small offers are the ones that attracts customers. Even if you reduce, you give them a discount of even as small as 10 shillings or 20 shillings in certain products, these customers are going to feel that you're part of them. That is one way of marketing your business. Make sure at least your employees, you can even print some branded t-shirts with the name of the business. Make sure at least you market your business. Another way to do it is to use social media on Facebook. Make sure you open a Facebook account that has your brand, and make sure you also advertise your products in the same platform. And you can also use TikTok, you can use YouTube, you can use any other platform, Instagram, to market your business. So those are the 5 simple steps to start any business while you're in Kenya, or even outside Kenya. These are the